have a girl in need of welding.
We've got Iron Man's mask.
Expert use of sanding equipment. A numpty who thinks it's okay to weld on a wooden table. A very annoying ginger cat. My 11-year-old daughter Saha is going to be testing the weld with some power shots.
Oh, sweet. All right then, so the issue we've got is the way this is built. Look, the frame comes up at the bottom just because there's a pressure and a bend on there, and that puts pressure on here. And it's this that's splitting that we need to weld and make stronger somehow so that it doesn't break. For the minute, it's got tape and cable ties holding it together. Doing the job for now, but it's not going to last much longer. So we need to find a better way to fix it and make it last perfect. We have everything we need. We have gloves that will fit the Incredible Hulk. We've got Iron Man's mask. Maybe not quite. We've got some welding sheets, big one and some little ones. Oh, I think these are going to be really good for what we need, I think. And I remembered to get some fireproof mats to do the welding on. So we're not going to create any more burns like we did last time. And obviously the welder itself, welding torch, and that's the clamp that creates the circuit between the torch and the welder itself. So there we are, ready to go.
One thing you may notice that is always a bit of a priority with this kind of thing is secure your damn pets. This little pest will absolutely, totally jump up on the table and get welded. He'll just want to be welded to something. Look at this cat, look at it. So the first thing we need to do is sand off the paint to expose the metal.
This is the sanded area we're going to be welding. You've got to sand it so it's bare metal. If it's not bare metal, then it doesn't really weld properly. Well, so I'm talking like I'm an expert now. This is what I've just been reading on Google, etc. Not only that, it's the way a MIG welder works, it has to form an electrical circuit. So if you're on paint, it's not really making that electrical circuit. So that's why it has to be sanded anyway. All right then, so here we go. Attempt number 1. So I'm going to do a weld along this side, a weld along this side. Hopefully I won't weld my grips to the actual goal. We'll see. Hopefully it goes well. What do you reckon? The mask is way too dark. But hey, what can I do? Turn the welder on would be an idea, wouldn't it? Power on. What do you reckon? Actually looks all right. I think that's gone all right, you know. Until the girls start kicking footballs at it, we'll see you in a bit, won't we? Oh, look at that. It fucking blows up, doesn't it? Quite good fun to use, I've got to say. Fingers crossed again. Hopefully it goes as good as the first one. The first one looked good. Although I am not an expert, so it could actually be terrible for all I know. We'll see. Here we go. How does that look? What do you reckon, viewers? Give us a thumbs up if it's gonna work. A bit more on the back. Proper gorge, isn't it? that made little lumps of burning coal that would have been setting my table on fire. Well, that side looks far less pretty than the other side, but it looks like it might actually be stronger. So, as every man, and probably every woman knows, the best way to test anything is by hitting it with a hammer. If it survives the hammer test, it's probably going to survive the girls, isn't it? So let's put it to the test, shall we? What do you reckon? Fingers crossed. Ooh. Not bad so far. Still not bad. Still strong. I would say that is a pass on the hammer test. I would say that's a definite pass. Okay, so far so good.
We are really chasing 1,000 subscribers for the channel at the minute to get ourselves monetized, just so we could afford some better quality cat food. You know, Whiskers, whatever, Purina. Just at the minute, we really want to get the YouTube channel monetized so we can actually start putting some money towards making these videos. They're really fun to make. We really enjoy making them, and I think they're really beneficial for our clients, but they cost time and money, and we don't make any money on it, so it's kind of pointless at the minute. So we need to get that 1,000 subscribers, get monetized, and hopefully we can do some better quality videos for you guys going forward as well. All right, here we are, Norwood Park again. The goal is set up, ready for action. My girls are eager to do some power shots at this weld, see if it actually survives or not. Fingers crossed, we will see. But here we go. Reckon the weld will survive? No. You think the weld's going to die and the girl's going to be gone forever?
Yes.
Is that because your shots are so powerful nothing can survive?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, whenever you are ready, take the first shot. Oh, nice. Nice shot again. Oh, that was a fine shot. So, at this point, Saha decided she wanted to go extreme and try really hard to break this weld. So we've now gone into slow motion for dramatic effect. Oh yes, and we've added thunder and lightning as well. This was the best shot of the day. I thought it was going to rip through the back of the net, never mind break the weld. And I think it actually even hit the weld as well. Slow motion dramatic unveiling of the weld to see how it looks. The weld has survived everything the girls can throw at it so far. I would say that is a success. And it's starting to rain, so we're out of here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.